Hello friends, today I'm pleased to announce that the biggest airdrop of 2024. You can instant claim 3,270 USDT in Smiley tokens. For step-by-step guide, watch the full video. You need to copy the link first. I provided into the description. After copying the link, paste link in the Trust Wallet or MetaMask D-App's web browser. In search bar, paste the link. After, you need to select the Smartchain network. Press buy or claim. Confirm transaction. And here we go. You received 3,270 USDT Smiley token in your Trust Wallet or in your MetaMask wallet. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.